Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another session on Botany Insiders free classes. We'll be discussing previous year questions. We'll be practicing out previous year questions so that you can prepare well for the upcoming June 2024 examination. Right? So let's begin with the class now. Make sure to download our application from the iOS as well as from the Play Store. It's available on both the devices, as well as we have a number of courses running for you all. We have a previous year question practice course running on the application. In addition to that, we also have a number of other courses like like a full course, crash course. We have a PYQ course. We have hard copy notes available for the upcoming examination. So if you wish to enroll in any of these, you can download our application and get yourself enrolled in the same. Right? In addition, no voice clarity. Okay, is it better now? Right, in addition to that, we are about to start with a CSIR net mastery course for the December 2024 examination students. So if any one of you who is willing to start preparing for the December examination, you can download our application. The classes for the December course starts from 15th of June. So if you wish to enroll in the same, you can download the application and get yourself enrolled. Right? So let's begin. So we discussed few of these questions yesterday. We'll be discussing the remaining questions today. Now this is the first question for you all. The question is, given below are the statements on the living fossils. You need to find out which of the following is the correct statement. First one is that living fossils are the impression of extant organisms in the rock, old rocks. Then living fossils show high morphological divergence from the fossil records. Then they are always on the evolutionary link between the two classes of organisms, and then they are the organisms that have remained unchanged for millions of years. You need to find out which of the following is the correct statement. Try the question, everyone. Is the audio quality better now? Hello, hello, hello. Is the audio quality better? Are you able to hear the voice in the much better manner, or is it the same? Just let me know in the chat sections, please. D, okay. Others also try the question. Sweetie, is the audio quality better now? Maybe because of some network issue, the problem is there. Kindly check. Okay. Try the question, everyone. Very simple. Given below are statements related to the living fossil. You need to find out which of the following is the correct one. Very simple. What are living fossils that have remained unchanged over a number of millions of years? So very, very simple question. D is the correct answer for this one. Next, how do you classify tumors? Next question is, how do you classify tumors? What's the basis of classification of the tumors? First one, the virus which caused them. Second, the person who discovered them. Third, their meristematic ability. Fourth, the tissue or the cell of origin. Try the question, everyone. Simple and easy again. Try it out. Very good, Piyush. Others also try it out. Tumors are classified by the virus which caused them, the person who discovered them, their meristematic ability, and fourth one is the tissue or the cell of origin. You need to find out Which of the following is the correct one? Easy question. Based upon the tissue or the cell in which the cancer is occurring in, you'll see the terminology based upon the same. Simple question. D is the correct answer. Next question. Let's try to find this particular question now. This one is from your ecology unit, or more specifically ecology and evolution mixed together, because we study biodiversity in both of them. The question is, the tables given below shows the bird species and their abundance, right, in the habitat P, Q and R. Question is asking you, you have to arrange the entire segment in the order of decreasing order of their diversity. Try the question, everyone. You have to find out that what is the order or what is the decreasing order of the diversity. Try the question, everyone. Simple and easy. Take your time, understand the question and then mark the answer for the same. Try it out, everyone, then we'll solve it out together. In all of them, you're given the number of the species, that is the type of number of species, and next you're given about how many each of the variant is there, right? These type of questions get repeated time and again, so this is a very important type of question. Try it out, then we'll solve it out together. Everyone participate. 6 of you are there in the class right now. Let's see, everyone participate in the class. It's very simple. See, biodiversity is dependent upon two segments. First segment is your evenness, right? And the second one is your abundance, right? Evenness and the abundance, two of the things are there. Evenness is based upon that how, or first one is the abundance one, species abundance, and the second is the evenness. So the first segment, abundance, is based upon that how many type of the species are there, right? If you look into the first segment, you have 5 types. In the second, you have 8 types. In the third also, you have 8 types. So Q and R have similar abundance. Species abundance is similar. The second is the evenness. Evenness means that what is the variation in the number of individual of each of the species. For example, in the first scenario, if you see the species identity of the first one, like first species is 20 in number, second is also 20 in number, third also 20, fourth and fifth, then the remaining are 15. If you look into the other one, the habitat R, so you have the first species being 80 in number, second 25, then 15, then 10, 5, 3, 3, 3. So over here we see the fluctuation in the abundance. We see the fluctuation in the evenness. This particular habitat is not even. Decreasing order means highest, then lesser, and then the lesser one. So highest biodiversity is in the first one, that is your Q. Then you have R, and then you have P. Why P being the last one? Because the first criteria was of abundance, and the species abundance is lesser than in comparison to the other two. That's why first you will be having the option as Q, then R, then P. D is the correct answer for this one. Simple and easy question. The question looks very difficult on the first go, but if you understand the question properly, if you look into the question properly, it's not difficult, right? Next question, try this particular question everyone. This is from your general aptitude part A. Try this particular question also now. Starting from point A, you fly 1 mile to the south, then to east, then to north, which brings you back to the point A. You need to find out which of the following must be true. Which of the following must be true? Try the question everyone. Easy and simple. Done everyone? Simple question. Let's see. Very good, very good. Let's see. So see, the question is saying starting from point A. Let's say this is point A. From here you're starting and you're flying to 1 mile south. Now let's see what's the directions. So you have this area as north, then south, then you have the compass. Over here you have east, over here you have west, right? You need to find out the question according to your direction senses. Starting from point A, you fly 1 mile south. So from here you are flying 1 mile south in the downward direction. From here you are flying 1 mile east. So from this point you have to fly to 1 mile east. So 1 mile over here, 1 mile over here. From here you are going towards the north direction, which brings you to point A again. So over here, from here you are going to point A again. Which of the following must be like for sure true? It's asking you which of the following must be true. First is saying that you are at the North Pole. Second is saying you are at the Eastern Pole, or you are in the Eastern Hemisphere. Next is saying that you are in the Western Hemisphere, and last is saying that you are in the South Pole. Now see, the question is very simple, but majority of you have marked the answer wrong. First option is saying that you are at the North Pole. Second is saying Eastern Hemisphere. Where did you see? Like see, from this point, let's say it is going to X, then Y, and then to Z. Now, from A and Z, A and Z is the same area, right? And they have given you in the last scenario that at last it is going towards the north direction, right? If the cell or if that particular person is going towards the south area, towards the north area again, so the 100% true statement should be that you are at the North Pole only, because from Y you are going in the north direction as given to you. And now you are, after reaching to point A, after moving towards the North Pole, you are going back to the point A. That means A is where? A is in the north direction, right? So which of the following must be 100% true? A should be the correct answer. Did you understand this? Because none of you marked the answer correctly, I am expecting now it's clear to all. This concept is clear to all. Everyone got the answer wrong. Those of you who participated, A is the correct answer for this question and not option number B, C or D. Did you understand the question? Yes or no? If yes, let's move forward to the next question. Yes? Very good. Let's move forward. Before moving any forward, we have our full course starting for the December 2024 examination from 15th of June. So if any one of you who is willing to enroll in the upcoming course for the December examination, you can download our app and get yourself enrolled. All the links for the course details, everything is in the description box. In addition, you can WhatsApp on this particular number for any kind of query, for any kind of clearance for this particular examination course, right? And we have kept the prices 5445 with an additional discount of 10%. So if any one of you who is willing, you can download our app and get yourself enrolled. Let's move forward with other questions. Okay, let's discuss this particular question now. This is from your general aptitude. The question is from the June 2021 paper. Question is saying that there are two buckets, A and B, right? Initially bucket A is having 2 liters of water, and after every 1 hour 1 liter is transferred to B, and after half an hour half liter is turned back from B to A again. Question is asking you, what is the time period, what is the earliest time that A will be getting emptied in? We need to find out this particular thing. It's a very logical and a very simple question to solve. So try the question everyone, and then I'll make you explain. There's no formula required in this question. Just analyze what the question is asking you and just solve it out step by step. It won't take more than a minute if you understand the question properly. Just go step by step and you'll be able to solve it out. Try it out everyone. 7 of you are there in the class right now. Try it out. Easy and simple question. 1 minute. Make sure in the examination you are keeping a check on the time that you are taking up for solving the questions as well, because the time should be managed very effectively for the examination, in the examination timing. So make sure that you are focusing upon the time period as well. Try it out everyone. Everyone solve it out. And these type of questions get time and again repeated in the examination. Okay, let's see. The question is, there are two buckets. Okay, let's say a bucket A and bucket B. Right. Now, in the initial initial time, we have 2 liters here and 0 liters here. Right. After 1 hour, right, after at every hour 1 liter is transferred from A to B. So let's say in the first hour I'm transferring from 1 hour, from here to here. So the remaining will be 1 liter and 1 liter. After half an hour, let's say after 1.5 hour now, because 30 minutes later, that is half an hour later, it is returned back. So this will be now 0, 1.5 because over here and 0.5 here, right? Now again after 1 hour, now over here students make the most mistake. 1 hour from here, so 1 hour from here, over here it would be 2 hours. So at 2th hour you will be having 0.5 here and 1.5 here because 1 liter is getting transferred. Now half an hour later, so at 2.5 hours you will again be having 0.5 liters transferred here. So 0.5 plus 0.5 will be equal to 1 liter, and over here as well 1 liter. Now 1 hour again. Now this 1 hour will be after the 2nd hour. So over here you will be having at the 3rd hour this 1 liter getting completely transferred to B, and then over here it will be 0 liter. So as a result, what's the answer? What will be the correct answer? Because what the problem students do over here is they do not